R-E.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
It's O-R-E some.
Okay, I learned different the letters. No. You give me a headache now. Not cost.
Okay. Yeah.
Well, Louis, Father Christmas says he's just coming through China now on my Santa app.
It all started working on a series in my dad's shed. I followed my dreams and joined the Marines, serving in Afghanistan. Defenders were always part of me. So here we are, building custom machines with my awesome team in Shropshire. We are Mahker. Hi guys, welcome back to episode 26. It's been one hell of a year and this is going to be our Christmas episode. We're doing our best to wrap up some cars, we're doing our best to get one back out the door. It's going to be close, but the customer wants it back, so we're going to give it him back. I just want to say a massive thank you to all my suppliers that have pulled it out of the bag to get the last bits to us, to get the last bits cars finished. So keep tuned in, thanks for the subscriptions, thanks for the comments guys, and just keep them coming. O-R awesome, I think they said.
Does it? Nothing does.
Like a golf. You see.
Yeah. I'll keep this there. One's off this side now. I'll hold it out. One's on that.
Yeah.
Because my outlet's bad Harry.
worry, rear door carrier fitted. And now it's off for MOT.
Right guys, this is the Christmas giveaway. We thought we'd mix it up a little bit. Everyone knows Derek the dash hound. So if people can guess in the comments below what Derek weighs after Christmas Day, after all the steak, after all the turkey and all the ham, we're going to give away a t-shirt and a giveaway pack. So keyring, hat, top, t-shirt, you name it, we're going to give it you all. Just drop a comment below in grams please guys.
What's efficient mean?
Efficient? Well, you know, like doing things efficiently.
Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here then.
No, mate.
Yes, wait a second.
How many Mahker stuff does it take to undo a lambda sensor?
It's like a slide going in the school place.
Keep on, boy. Hold it on the next. Precision made fascia.
Well, it had to be precision, otherwise it wouldn't fucking fit. There was no choice in the matter.
Good music over all this.
This is going to be fairly...
Look at that bad boy.
Very posh, I would say. What do you think, Sam?
I think it's wonderful.
What's Merry Christmas in Romanian?
Crăciun fericit. Crăciun fericit.
I like that.
Right guys, well that's it for today. If you'd like to tune in to us in January and catch up in 2022, we're going to continue these YouTube episodes, we're going to make it bigger, we're going to make it better, and we're going to try and get a little bit more in depth and answer all those questions in January. So guys, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, I wish you all a great New Year, and let's rise above this COVID malarkey because I'm pretty much sick of it from now on. Let's all be healthy. Happy New Year guys, bye bye.